This is the 3.1 mini lesson. Today the teaching point is that you will be skilled at estimating gratuities using mental math. So by mental math we mean without a calculator. So first of all, when I want to find 10% of a number, some kids will tell me that you just drop the zero. That's not entirely accurate because finding 10% really means we're finding 1/10 of 120, which is 12. But what we're really doing is taking the decimal point and moving it one place to the left. So I do get 12 here, but if I had asked you to find 10% of, let's say it was 38.6, you would then move the decimal over again once, and we would get 3.86 would be 10%. 25%, hopefully quite a few of you know that this is the same thing as a fourth. So if I broke this into 4 pieces, each piece would be 30. So I know I get 30. So one way to take 25% is really to take the 120 and divide it by 4. Or if I want to do what I did up here, I could take 120 and I could find 10%, 10%, and 5%. All these together would be 25%. So 10% we said is moving the decimal over once. That would be 12. 10% is 12. Well, half of 10% would be 5. Half of 12 would be 6. So if I add these together, 24 plus 6 is 30. So I have 2 different ways mentally to get the answer of 30. 50%, hopefully we realize, is half. So I could just take 120 and again just divide it by 2 and I get 60. I could again do 10%, which is 12, and I could do that 5 times to get 50%. So 12 times 5 would be 60. So again, 2 strategies to get there. 5%, easiest way is, again, let's find 10%. We know 10% is 12. That means 5% is only half of this. So half of 12 is 6. So could I now find a strategy to use to get 35% of 120? I'm going to have you try this on your own and then you can start the video. When I look at this, I think of 2 different ways. I could do 25% plus 10% gives me 35%. So we already said 25% is 30, and we said 10% is 12. That means 35% is equal to 42. Another way I might do this is 10% plus 10% plus 10% plus 5%. We already said 10% is 12, so 12, 12, 12, and 5%, that would be half of that. 2, 4, 6, and 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 different ways to get 42, both of them mentally.